Alright, so you saw the small guy. By the way, I'm not sure why we have that view over there. Let me get something in here. Let's listen to approach. Okay. Alright, so here's my big boy. Here's the 737. Alright. Pedestals here. Alright. Throttle quadrant, motorized, of course, Boeing. Flight computers, you got two of them. FMC, CDU. And then we got the hot setup. Alright. You can probably hear St. Louis over here. Let me see. I thought I heard St. Louis approach over here. It's alright. We'll hear him in a second. Some plane sounds like shit. Alright, let's check it out, Chris. Show you how we load this up. Alright, so where are we here? Position in it. We are at Kilo Sierra Tango Lima, St. Louis. There's our reference airport. We're going to go over to Kilo Bravo Lima Victor, Scott Air Force Base, otherwise known as Belleville. We're on 1-2 right. Activated, execute. Form salute. We're going to do 50 cost index. We don't get ripped at this. Let's get the weight here. Let's fly about 4,000 feet. 8. That's correct. Execute. Limits. That looks good. So let's start with 5 on the flaps. There's our speeds. We'll load them. Anytime I do that, I always do trim. See the trim over there on the upper Aegis. That looks good. Roll down a little more. Okay. 5 on the flap set. Auto brakes off. What else we got? We got looks good. Departure and approach. We're gonna do 1-4 right on the ILS. Not gonna do V. Let's check the legs. Get rid of discontinuing. That's it. Looking good. Okay. So 120, 180 on the speed. For climb out, 120, 4,000, 120. Flight directors on, auto throttle on, flight directors on, the co-pilots up, trim set, RTO for the takeoff, trim, everything's set here. Already got our clearance. I think we need to put our landing lights on. I think I would like that. Maybe some landing lights would be nice. I won't have to do this in the computer when I mount those overhead panels. I think I may have showed you. I don't know if I did. All the lights on, 4,000 on the pressure, no smoking. Fasten, let them know we're leaving.
Okay, the cabin is secured. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Alright, what's that? Let's take this baby off and then I'll say goodbye, just to give you an idea what it looks like. So 40 on this, on the throttles, 40. Oh, I gotta hit the brakes off. Can't believe I didn't do this. Brakes are off. Okay. There we go. And toga. Throttles move forward. Let's keep this center line. We got a plane just exited the runway. That's nice. It's hard to do this one hand. 80 knots. We leave the forward pressure on the yoke. What's going on with my graphics today? Rotating up. Positive rate. Gears coming up. VNAV, LNAV, Command A, 400 Roger. Let's find out what the approach is. 1099, 139. both sides. Okay, and 139 on the ILS. Put a localizer, both sides. Okay, look good. This goes off, and we'll put this on auto braking. Taking off over St. Louis. Everything's looking good. Climbing. 1,000 feet, no problem. Let's keep this at 180 until we get to our altitude. Well, gotta love the motorized throttle quadrant. Coming up on 4,000, flaps are up. That's our there we go. Mississippi River. Coming up on the Mississippi River, guys. Alright. Leveling off at 4,000. Speed slowing down to 180. Alright. And we need to be at 2,200. Alright, and 178. So let's go ahead and put 2,200 down. So when we get to the top of descent, which is right here, the plane will go down to 2,200 for me. Let's go ahead and speed up a little bit. We'll take off the speed intervention. We're going to speed up to 250. Throttles are up, flaps. Let's arm the speed brake. Green light, arm speed brake is armed. Gear. I'm already set up for landing. I'm way ahead of the game. Beautiful Mississippi River. Scanning for traffic. I don't see any traffic. I don't see any traffic on here. Alright, let's slow ourselves down here. 200. Mississippi River. Incredible. See the throttle's moving? See that? Just hitting the decel. Beautiful. You got St. Louis Regional Airport right there. That's called Alton. St. Louis Regional. Kilo Alpha Lima November. And then you got St. Louis downtown right over there. That's Kilo Charlie Papa Sierra CPS. That's Cahokia. Maybe you've been there, I don't know. There's the arch and the stadium. I see the two runways out there. Right near 64. And where are we at here? We're almost to Zadney. We need to be 178 at Zadney. Let's slow it down to 178. Alright, 139. 139 on this side. That's checked, that's checked. Set. Almost the top of descent, right there. Just about there. Alright, we're descending. Throttle's coming back. Pitching down. You can hear the engines. There's our runway. Right over there. 14 right, which is right here. 14 left is here. 14 right is here. That's our runway we'll be landing on. It's amazing, Chris. I love flying the 737-800 NG. Freaking the bomb. Set here. Yep. 1,000 to go, Roger. We're good. Throwing some flaps. Speed check. On the flaps. Flaps should be transit. We should see the transit, and we can see the flaps. There it is. Flaps of transit, and we're banking. There's our runway in front of us. Let's run the approach. That's the flaps. Speed check, speed check. Let's slow us down a little. To 160. Lined up with the runway, we got the ILS. Localizer. Looking for the glide slope up there. We'll hit that at the final approach fix, which is Helgu in 3 miles. Looking good. Speed 150. 45. Flaps. Landing checklist. Ding ding. We'll let everybody know we're landing. Gears down. 3 green there. 3 green up top. 150. 2200. Alright. Minimum should be about 250. Lined up perfectly. Here comes the glide slope. Coming down, as you can see nicely. Coming down nice. 1-4 right, 1-4 left over there. Interstate 64. Glide slope about to be locked on. Yep, there it is. Let's hit Command B on. Speed 139. I'm holding the phone at an angle so I can see, so it looks weird, Chris. You can see the tower over there to the right of the runway. There it is. White light and then green because it's a military installation, so you got the split white, right? White light, boom, boom, like that. There it is. Kilo Bravo Lima Victor, Mid-America Airport, Scott Air Force Base. That's where we're going to land. Speed looks good. 1,000 feet over. Missed approach. Altitude is set. And we're stable.
1,000 feet, stabilized, missed approach, altitude set.
We are stable. We are missed approach set. And we've talked about what the missed approach is already. So we know what's happening if we go missed. Got our clearance, 139, perfect, looks good. Look at that land 3 on the ILS, looking perfect. Looking for the minimum. Flaps all the way down, got the airfield mains for sure. One final check across the board, everything looks good.
Approaching 1-4 right.
Roger that. Continue, that's what we want.
500.
500, continue. We got perfect weather, so we don't need to worry about minimums, but I can throw snow in here, fog, anything you want in here. 400, continue.
Approaching minimums.
Continue the approach.
300.
300, roger. Minimums.
Minimum.
Let's land.
200.
200, roger. Roger.
100.
100. There we go. 350 over the threshold.
50.
Yep.
40. 30. 20. 10.
And we are down. Reverse thrusters are up. As you can see, the reverse thrusters are rocking and rolling. Looking for 80 knots.
80 knots.
80 knots. Reverse thrusters are off.
3,000.
Speed brake off. Flaps up. Here we go. Roger that. Let's break it right here for a second. Stop right here. Welcome to Scott Air Force Base. There's a taxiway over there. Over to the Mid-America side. That's it. That's it. 5%. Boom, boom. Done. That's how you do it on the big boy. Welcome to Scott Air Force Base.